immediately on receipt of the land required for construction of various components of the project.
Yes, your supplementary questions, please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. So I would just like to know from the Honorable Minister, what is the total number of household and population in these 3 villages, sir?
So it's 4 villages: Mowkaiaw, Motorsia A, Motorsia B, Mukap. So total number of population as per the census to 2011 is 9,058, sir, and household is 1387.
Sir, it has been more than 10 years now, since 2011 census. So as per the record that is available with me, the total number of household is more than 2,300, and the total population is nearly 15,000, sir. So, sir, another supplementary question. I would like to know from the Honorable Minister, sir, what are the different components under this proposal, sir?
So the different components will be, construction of a dam for the intake point and water treatment plant, sir.
Sir, why I raise this very important question, sir? Despite being one of the biggest habitation apart from Jawai in Jainti Hills, we are facing water crisis almost every year, sir. So I used to remember when we were still young, we used to wake up in the morning, early at 1 a.m., 2 a.m. in the morning, we used to fetch water, sir. So that's why, sir, till now, the problem exists till now. So that's why, sir, I would like to request Honorable Minister, sir, whether the government is actively considering to sanction this proposal, sir?
So yes, sir.
One more supplementary, sir. First of all, sir, I would like to thank the Honorable Minister for the positive response, sir. So since the answer is yes, may I know, sir, whether there is any specific timeline? Because till now we are suffering, sir, because of water shortage. So that's why, sir, if you can get a specific timeline as to when this proposal will be sanctioned, sir. Because I can assure the House, as far as land, there is no issue, sir. I can assure the House, we will get the land, sir.
I would like to thank Honorable Member for assuring the land issue. But as per the record here, sir, Executive Engineer has already called a meeting for this particular matter, for these land issues and all. But till now, the department has not received any land issues. So I would request you, through you, sir, Honorable Member, if he can pursue it at the earliest and send the NOC to the department concerned, sir.
Sir, why I'm saying this, sir, because recently the officer from the PHE department, they already met one headman, sir. So from the headman side also, he has already assured that there won't be any problem with regard to the land issue. So I can assure you that, sir, and we'll take the necessary step and we'll make the necessary arrangement for the land, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.